Beefree is the go-to solution for creating on-brand, accessible emails in minutes. And yes, you can use them directly in Slate. This video will show you the exact steps you need to take to send beautiful, high-performing emails from Beefree to Slate, and it only takes a few clicks. Inside Beefree, the process is incredibly simple. Let's say you want to send this beautiful email you just designed to Slate. No problem. From the Projects tab, you can click the three dots next to the email you want to send, select Export, and then copy the HTML code. Great. Now let's switch over to Slate. Inside Slate, click the megaphone icon in the top navigation bar. Here you can manage your mailings. Inside Mailings, you can click New Mailing, and here you can add a name for this email. Let's call it Life on Campus. Where it says Folder, you can select Other to create a new folder, and we can call this Student Affairs. In the Method dropdown, make sure Email HTML Editor is selected, and this part is key because it ensures Slate knows you're bringing in your own custom HTML. Everything else looks good, and so you can save this, and this takes you right into the mailing. From here, you can select Edit Message, and then within the toolbar, you'll need to find and click on the source icon. You'll then need to delete the existing code here, and then simply paste the Beefree HTML you previously copied. And just like that, you've now added a fully designed, mobile-friendly, accessible email into Slate. If you hit this icon here, you can even view your email in full screen mode. Now, it is possible to make small edits in Slate, like tweaking the text, for instance. But for bigger changes like editing the layout, changing images, or colors, we recommend doing those back in Beefree. When you're happy with your edits, simply re-export the new HTML and paste it back into Slate. Once you're satisfied with your email in Slate, you can hit Save, and then even preview it to see how it looks on both desktop and mobile. Beefree makes it faster and easier to send beautiful, branded emails that actually work, inside Slate and beyond. Ready to save time and up-level your emails? You can get started for free at beefree.io.